Many of us, unknowingly, we are damaging our body parts, muscle, vein, but still we are not serious about the prevention. Hello, good morning everyone. This is Raju and welcome to my new video. And, and today I'll discuss about how to handle any kind of manual tasks safely. And I'm sure that after watching this video, you'll understand that how we are damaging our body parts, and you'll also learn that how to prevent it. And to prevent it, first of all, we need to know that what is safe manual handling. Manual handling, it means any task or any job doing by our hand or body parts, it is manual handling. And it can be like pulling, pushing, carrying, lifting, putting down, etc. And these all kind of tasks while we are doing, we should work, we should do safely. This is safe manual handling. I just want to tell that while we are working, while we are handling any kind of manual tasks, we should think about our safety. I mean the safety of our body parts. And today I will tell you how to be safe while handling this kind of tasks. What you need to know and what you need to implement while handling this kind of task. Now you already know that what is safe manual handling and what is manual handling. Many of our friends, colleagues at workplace, they are suffering by back pains and different kind of injuries. Due to this reason, they cannot do anything. Totally they need to do the bed rest. For this reason, we should be careful while we work. We need to know about the safe manual handling and we need to follow and we need to implement this one while working. So number one, while we are handling any tasks, we should think what we are going to do. We need to know that which task we are doing and we need to think about it. So is it safe or not? What kind of task this one? Only me I can do or I need the support? Only I can handle it or not? So first we need to assess. We need to assess the task, area, load. We need to access. We need to analyze the area is safe or not. The task which one we are doing is safe or not, or me I can handle it alone or not. After analyzing it, after if it is okay, I can do alone, or it is safe, this area and this task is safe, I can proceed. But still that time, if possible, I need to use the equipment, not by my hand if possible. And if equipment is not possible, if we need to do by our hand, that time also we should focus in our task, on our task. Like if you work and if you are cutting the vegetable, and that time you are thinking about your girlfriend, your wife, your son, daughter, so that time your finger can cut. So any task you are doing, that time you should focus on your task. You should not think about anything. You should not dream. You should be on your task. This is the number one. After this one, we should think about our body posture. Our body posture is correct or it is bad posture. Our body position, it is in awkward position or we are comfortable. We should know this one. If it is like bad posture. I mean, like if you are giving the pressure to our one leg, only to our one leg to one hand, the only the pressure to only one parts of body, it can be the dangerous, and it can lead to the injury. Your body parts can damage. So you should think about your body posture. It is in the correct posture or not. I mean, it is the it should be the comfortable position. It should be the like your back should be straight, head should be up, like, and avoid bending the back. Bend knees, but avoid bending back. Try to be straight. Your posture should be straight, like the comfortable, not the awkward one, difficult one, not the difficult one. It should be comfortable, and do not give the excessive pressure in one parts of body, only to one parts of body. And in our body also, above the shoulder and below the chest part, it is the danger zone. So this part of body, avoid giving excessive pressure to this kind of part, and just you can give the pressure to chest part and arms. This is the power zone. So while carrying any task you are handling, try to give the load to this area, the power zone, not the above this part and below the chest part, because these parts are in danger zone. It means the pressure cannot handle it. These parts cannot handle the excessive pressure. So try giving the heavy pressure only to the arms and the chest. Like, use these parts. While carrying also, you can carry this area. Do not down, not like bending and downs. This one, it can damage the body parts. If we bend our back repetitively with load for a long time, then we will be suffered by back pain. In this condition, what will happen? Now I will tell why there is the back pain. I will tell. In our spinal cord, there is 33 small bone, and the stacked bone, there is one up another one, and in the middle of all bones there is a disc, like the jelly, the like rubber, like the rubber or jelly. There is one disc, and this disc, when we bend, this disc will support to bend our back. But if we bend repetitively and we give the pressure also to this one repetitively, continuously for a long time, then this disc, it will not go inside, it will not go back to inside in the between the bone. So it will be outside, and this disc, it will be like stone. It will be hard, and it will start to touch our muscle outside, and it will be really painful. When it touches to the muscle, it is really painful. And this condition, this one we will tell, it is herniated disc. This is the herniated disc. So for this reason, while handling the tasks, while carrying, while lifting, please be careful about your back. Try not to bend your back. If you bend also, do not repeat continuously for a long time. Now I will tell you the common injuries from incorrect manual handling activities. Is stiff neck, dislocated shoulder, sprained wrist, injured knees, back pain, etc. And I would like to add you also that pushing is better than pulling, because while pulling, the power goes from our belly, but when we are pushing, the power goes from our arms and the chest. I already told you that this is the power zone. So a possible push, pushing is better than pulling. At last, I would like to give you the top tips for the safe manual handling.
Do a quick assessment. Use mechanical aids wherever possible. Plan your routes. Work from a stable base. Hug the load. Bend your knees. Avoid twisting or leaning. Keep your head up. Know your limits. Push a load, don't pull it.
At last, I would like to tell you again that while working, please be careful, focus on your task, avoid awkward position, follow the correct body posture, avoid bending back, avoid giving the pressure to the danger zone. If required, give the pressure to the power zone, and do not give the excessive pressure to any parts of our body repetitively, continuously for a long time.